So here it is our data for the problem. A line PQ is 90 mm long. It is inclined to horizontal plane at an angle of 45 degree and to vertical plane at an angle of 30 degree. Its one end P is 20 mm above horizontal plane and 30 mm in front of vertical plane. Draw the projection of the line. To solve this problem, first of all make a data table and mention the available data in it. Now draw a horizontal line XY of any dimension and locate point P' and P as per given data. After that, with the help of ruler scale, draw path of P' and path of P parallel to line XY from point P' and P respectively. From point P', draw inclined line of true length equal to 90 mm at an angle theta equal to 45 degree and locate point Q'. From point P, draw inclined line of true length equal to 90 mm at an angle phi equal to 30 degree and locate point Q. With the help of ruler scale, draw path of Q' and path of Q parallel to line XY from point Q' and Q respectively. Now, draw a line perpendicular to line XY from point Q to path of P'. Mark this point as 1 dash. With the help of compass, take P' as a center and draw an arc from point 1 dash to path of Q' and locate point Q1 dash as shown. After that, join point P' with point Q1 dash. Here, line P' Q1 dash will give elevation length of given line PQ. Measure the length of line P' Q1 dash, which will be 78 mm. Also, mention this elevation length in data table as shown. Now measure the angle alpha between elevation length and line XY, which will come 55 degree, and mention it in data table as shown. Now draw a line perpendicular to line XY from point Q' to path of P. Mark this point as 1. After that, with the help of compass, take point P as a center, draw an arc from point 1 to path of Q and locate point Q1 as shown. Join point P with point Q1. Here, line PQ1 will give plan length of given line PQ. Measure the length of line PQ1, which will be 64 mm. Also, mention this plan length in data table as shown. Now, measure the angle beta between plan length and line XY, which will come 45 degree, and mention it in data table as shown. After that, join point Q1 dash with Q1. Measure the distance between line P' and Q1 dash Q1, which will be 45 mm. This distance is known as end projector distance. Also, mention it in data table. I hope you understood it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box.